All right, here's another change of base exponential equation. So we have a 5 and 125 as our bases here, not the same thing. So let's think, how can we write 125 as a base of 5, hopefully? And it would have to be 5 to some power, right? We're trying to figure out what power that would be. Well, 5 squared is 25. And if we multiply 25 times 5 again, we get 125. Let me pull this in. It's really big. Ooh. All right, so here we are looking at some different powers, and we've got there's 5 squared is 25, 5 cubed is 125, and that's what we're looking for is 5 cubed. So sometimes a little table of exponents can be helpful as you figure these things out. Let me go back to the other page and erase some of that extra. Okay, so now if we can write it as 5 to the third, then we can make this a much simpler problem. So I'm going to bring down 5 to the negative n, and I'm going to change 125 to something it's equal to, which is 5 to the third power. Since our bases are the same, that means the exponents have to be equal. So we can kind of ignore the bases for now. We're just solving for n. Negative n equals 3. Well, that means positive n is going to be -3, but why is that? Because that's a -1n. So if we divide by -1 on both sides, we get positive n equals -3. All right, so that is the value of our variable. Okay, I hope that was helpful. See you in the next one.